I just wanted to tack this on to the beginning of this video. I wanted to thank everyone, all my subscribers, all my friends out there, the whole community that we have here is just awesome, guys. And if I don't explain that very well, I can't. In my writings back, like comments and returning comments and stuff, I'm not very eloquent. So, you know, just to let you know, I do appreciate you guys so much, and I really love this sport and love the people in it. So never think, well, you didn't return my comment right away or anything like that. I try, but I'm not very good at that stuff. I don't talk good. So thanks for watching me and supporting me, and I really do appreciate it. Okay, on with the video. Well, hello, I'm back with these masters that Daz Evers sent. Dimple locks, and I have picked them. I couldn't resist trying, right away, and but of course I didn't have the camera running because I was just playing with them. So I thought I'll go ahead and try to pick them again, see what we can do. Then I found my picks. I'm going to use this one on this. That's the one thing about this. They just shoot underneath sometimes, Get a low pin and it just wants to bind and well, I gotta find the pins now. This is the fun part. Okay. Oh, I got a good drop right there. Now, is that okay? It felt like a little spool or something. I just got under a deep one. I'm gonna try to bring him up. Uh-oh. I think I dropped everything else. I don't think I should have done that. I think that was a mistake. Oh, no, I got it. It popped back down. Okay. Another one. Oh, and that's it. We got it open. There we go. Fantastic. Wow. All right. Nice. Okay. Well, since we're here, and that didn't take too long, let's do the little one. Now, the little one's a lot smaller than the big one. And same thing. And here's what I'm going to use on this. I'm just going to use this. Try to get on it. And I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use this little hybrid for the pick. See what I can find. Oh, I got a click there. Oh, another little click. Okay, I just fell through. It kind of like bounced through or something. Ooh, that was a click. That or it broke. Okay, I'm not feeling anything now. Okay, back here I am. Got a click there. And that is it. It's open. Wow, very cool. I would say, well, these would be great locks for beginners to practice learning the learning dimple picks, learning how to use a dimple pick on. So yeah, there you go. We got them both. got them both picked, and it's been great. Thanks, Daz, for sending them out. I'll send them along, and somebody else can play with them and send them to somebody else. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, stay legal, and have fun. Bye.